No, it's a crane. A crane. Crane.
What is crane? I don't know. I don't understand, Liam. Huh?
Look on the crane, no?
No, I cannot see. I don't have eyes.
Carry you up a bit. Look at it.
Chloe, not allowed na mag-sit dyan.
Hindi, kinikari ko lang siya ng konti para makita ng maayos.
She can see that one. Chloe, she can see. Ano ka ba? Nakikita niya.
Bakit not me? Now we're going up. We're going up.
Oh, are you enjoying?
Like a roller coaster. Because they're fixing it.
Muna pa itikring na ba?
It's like the. It's like the
One, two, three. Wow.
Hindi, it's a crane.
Ah, it's a crane.
It's like in the Alive train. It's an Alive. Where? That one, the building. That is dirty. Can you? Yeah, it's a crane. A crane. Look.
At Tagalog kay Lagpan.
Huh? Oh, it's going to go to the squiggly part. Oh no. Ah! Yeah. Whoa. Oi, the middle of the train. Ah! This is the squiggly part, right? Yeah, very squiggly.
Another train.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Bulaga! Over there. Oh, that's such a weird looking town. Huh? And then we go.
Wiggle ba?
Burj Khalifa. Huh? Burj Khalifa.
Alam something Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
Boy, quiet.
Stop.
The police will gonna catch you.
Stop. Oh no.
Chloe, iyan mo yung kamay mo, anak ko, masyadong ano. Yan, like that. Wow.
Stop.